Hello, Lon Baker here from VirtualPBX, and today I want to share with you what we did in 2023 and give you a glimpse of what's coming in 2024. In 2023, after 25 years in business, we totally re-envisioned how we deliver services to customers. This led to us expanding our customer service team and creating unified leadership between tech support and customer service to give the highest level of service to customers regardless of whatever they need. In addition to that, we brought in passionate leaders for product management and sales to ensure we're delivering the right products and services that our customers need today. An example of this is VirtualText Forward. This is a product that we built and created specifically for small businesses to route around the regulatory headaches of receiving text messages from their customers. This couldn't have been done without that entire team, the feedback from customer service, as well as the product management and the sales leadership. This led to our fastest growing year in years in 2023. And in 2024, we're betting on ourselves in a big way, bringing a number of products and services to our customers. Building on our already excellent call center features, we're going to be bringing a real-time contact center solution for businesses of all sizes. In addition to that, we're going to be helping companies saddled with old, expensive POTS lines with a new, modern solution that will reduce their costs and improve the dependability of those lines. All these things are going to lead us to an even bigger year in 2024. And I want to take a moment to thank the thousands of companies that trust VirtualPBX with their communication solutions. We look forward to delivering these services and products to customers around the world for another 25 years. Thank you so much. Bye.